Imagine an AI whispering in your ear before you swipe your card, saying, "Hold on, remember your savings goal." You might think it's science fiction, but in just 10 minutes, I let an AI solve my budgeting problems. Here's what happened next. You know the drill. Between subscriptions you forgot to cancel, lattes on your walk to work, and impulse buys after a long day, it feels impossible to stick to a budget. You know what you should do with your money, but life gets busy and discipline falters. Every month, hundreds of dollars slip through unnoticed, leaving you stressed and overwhelmed. You're smart, hardworking, but managing money feels like a second job you never asked for. What if the solution is not more strict rules but an AI partner quietly handling the details for you? What if instead of opening another spreadsheet, you could hit record on your finances and have an AI co-pilot do the heavy lifting? In this video, we'll walk through exactly how I set up an AI to watch over my wallet, flag bad spending habits, and even automate savings, all within 10 minutes of setup. Experts agree that manual budgets often fail because they rely on willpower alone. According to financial studies, up to 80% of new budgets are abandoned within 2 months. Traditional budgeting apps demand constant input and effort, but modern AI tools are changing the game. Think of popular AI finance assistants like Clio or Rocket Money, formerly Truebill. They've saved people hundreds of dollars a year by spotting sneaky subscriptions and offering personalized tips. These tools and new AI chatbots prove one thing: the real power is delegation, not just discipline. You don't have to be a financial guru to get expert-level results. You just need the right AI helper. Let's break down why budgets usually flop. Frictionless spending. Every time you tap buy on a phone or card, it feels pain-free. There's no obvious downside until the statement arrives. AI can add friction to those impulse taps by issuing a quick warning or question. Do you really need this? Just before you confirm. Emotional triggers. We all know that late-night online shopping or retail therapy after stress can blow your budget. Humans make decisions based on feelings. An AI, however, can recognize your patterns. For example, you always overspend on Sundays, and gently intervene. Hey, looks like you made a big purchase last weekend. Maybe hold off on new shoes this week? Hidden waste. One $5 charge for a trial here, a $15 convenience fee there. These add up. Most people don't catch them. AI tools scan your accounts to find those leaks. For example, AI can automatically cancel old subscriptions or negotiate better deals for you. Information overload. Financial advice is everywhere, but it's generic. You know you should save more, invest, cut back, but turning that into action is hard. AI translates big picture goals into bite-sized actions in real time, personalized for your exact situation. Now, let's reveal the 3 AI components I put to work. Part 1. The AI Copilot Chatbot. I started with an AI assistant like ChatGPT with a budgeting plugin or an app like Clio. These chatbots can act like personal finance advisors. I gave it my income, spending goals, and connected my accounts. It immediately had an overview of where my money was going. Part 2. Memory and pattern recognition. Next, I enabled persistent memory. This isn't just a one-time budget. The AI remembers my spending habits over weeks. Platforms are emerging, and even ChatGPT is adding it, where the AI learns which months I overspend, vacation season, which subscriptions I forget, and which bill deadlines I miss. It could say things like, "Last month you bought dinner out on 3 consecutive Fridays. Shall we adjust your entertainment budget?" This memory feature turns a chatbot from a one-time calculator into a growing partner. Part 3. Proactive nudge and automation. Finally, I set up triggers and automation. Instead of pulling data only when I ask, the AI proactively nudges me. For example, if I'm about to make a purchase that would blow my weekly budget, it can text or alert me first. "You've spent $50 today on eating out. Do you still want to place that order?" Reminds me. Days in advance. It can even move small amounts automatically into savings accounts whenever I reach a certain balance, thanks to features in apps like Digit or Albert, which use AI to save for you invisibly. In short, the AI watches before I make mistakes, not after. It's like having a frugal friend who whispers advice exactly at the right moment. Step-by-step action. Here's exactly how you can set this up yourself. Choose your AI tools. Use a combination of tools. For chat-based insights, try ChatGPT. Use the Budget Analyzer or a Personal Finance GPT. For app-based money management, try Clio, Rocket Money, or Mint. Many have AI features now. 2. Link your finances securely. With your permission, connect the app to your bank and credit card accounts. This lets the AI see your transactions. Reputable apps use bank-level encryption, so your data is safe. 3. Define your goals. Tell the AI what you want. That is, save $500 this month, or cut subscriptions. Input your income and key expenses. The AI will build a baseline budget. 4. Let it analyze. Give it 10 minutes or a few days of syncing to review your last few months of spending. It will categorize transactions and highlight patterns like shopping habits or food out. 5. Set alerts and automations. Turn on notifications for overspending or bill reminders. Enable features like automatic savings transfers. For instance, apps can round up purchases to the nearest dollar and save the change. You decide how hands-off you want it. 6. Interact and adjust. Check back occasionally and chat with your AI. Ask, where am I overspending? Or, how close am I to my saving goal? The AI will respond with current data and suggestions. Over time, it learns to tailor advice better. I know what you're thinking. An AI cleaning up your money sounds too easy. And the truth is, it's not perfect, but it's remarkably effective. But what I discovered next surprised me even more. Here's the deeper shift. We're talking about lateral productivity in personal finance. Instead of becoming a budgeting ninja yourself, you leverage AI to think like one for you. It's as if you can outsource that nagging voice in your head to a hyper-logical, data-crunching assistant. For example, I experimented by asking my AI, plan my week of spending optimally. It took into account upcoming paychecks, habits, and even typical emotional patterns. Non-experts can now achieve expert-level money management through smart delegation. In the same way that AI writing tools help non-writers publish blogs, these finance AIs let everyday people write their own robust financial plan without years of study. The edge isn't about having more discipline, it's about using smarter tools. Imagine a future where every bank and wallet has this feature built in. Soon, AI won't just predict weather and play music, it'll be silently guarding your bank balance too. In 5 years, not using an AI for personal finance might feel as outdated as balancing a checkbook by hand. If you found this walkthrough eye-opening, hit subscribe for more honest, no-hype AI money tips. We'll keep testing the newest tools, like Pictory AI for our video visuals and VidIQ for SEO, so you can make money smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video where AI gets even smarter about your wallet.